In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this sick car spread effect in DaVinci Resolve 19. First step of this effect is to copy your clip. Open it in Color Page and take your pen tool. Mask out the car as precisely as possible. Go to Tracker window and hit Track both ways. If the tracker failed, like in my case, click on Frame and fix the points manually. Good. Now add alpha output in the node section. Then make sure to add some softness to the inside to get that smooth look. Go back to Editing page, click on the upper layer and make a new compound clip. Combine both of the clips into one new Fusion clip and open it in Fusion page. Media in 2 will be your cutout layer. Organize the nodes like I do. This will make it easier to follow the next steps. Click on the media in 2 and then press Shift plus Spacebar to open the effects menu. Search Transform and connect it to the media in 2. On the first frame, make a keyframe for pivot and move it to the end of the car's front splitter. Go to the last frame and fix the pivot's position. Make sure it stays on place the whole time. If not, make some extra keyframes until it does. Go back to the first frame and make a keyframe for angle. Move few frames forward and change the value to -5. Go almost to the end and make another keyframe. Reset the value in the last frame. Now, copy the node tree and paste it beside the original one. Change the 5 values to 10. Copy it once again and change the 10 to 15. Continue this process until you are in 30. Animating is now done. All we need to do is fix the graphs. Open Spline window and click on all the angles. Highlight the left side. Press S on your keyboard to smooth them out. Repeat this for the right side, like this. Close the spline window and select one of the transform nodes. Click on Settings, then Motion Blur and copy my settings. Repeat this for all of the transform nodes. That's basically it.